With AT&T Premier, your billing data is easy to organize, analyze, and customize the way you want on demand. Fast at-a-glance views are readily available on the new billing and reporting dashboard, with monthly totals, current charges, and the status of requested reports. When it's time to consolidate and compare, now you can find multiple statements in one place. You can choose to view one bill at a time, or many in a single view. Spotting trends is easy. With a click, you can compare statements month over month. At AT&T, we understand that data drives decisions. With Premier, interactive graphs help you gain a visual understanding of your mobility data. Choose from standard or custom reporting tools. Enjoy on-demand response times. Or schedule a report to run automatically and have it delivered straight to your inbox. Take your analytics to the next level with the Hierarchy Builder and see your data your way. First, build a template with as many branches or nodes as you need. Then, connect your accounts to them. You can use whatever organizational logic you want, like viewing data by departments or by geographical area, and more. Save your hierarchy and use it with a biller report. Then, watch the data come alive. Explore these capabilities and more. It's your data at work for you. Learn more at att.com/digital training.
Thanks for watching. For more videos from AT&T Business, click subscribe.